Hello guys, today I will show you how to merge data in Power Query. It's really common function, and what do we have here? We have accounting entries, yes, and prices for the product, for the single product, with months and year. So um, we just need to say in Excel word VLOOKUP data here. How we can do that? Let's click the merge entries, select the other tables, and here we just need to select the criteria for which we will merge the data. Here we have month and the month, year, year. So we have two criteria. Click OK, and here we have prices. It's like table, and we select the data what we need. So I need the price. So and here we have the price from the other table. That's all. It's really simple.